Well, Prince Harry is back in a London court this Wednesday, testifying against the British tabloids. Now, Harry is the first senior British royal to appear in a witness box in more than a century. On Tuesday, he faced more than 5 hours of cross-examination by an attorney for the publisher of the Daily Mirror. Harry and 100 others are suing over allegations of illegal information gathering and phone hacking. And for more, we can cross to our correspondent in London, Benedict Pavio. Benedict, it was a dramatic day in court yesterday. What's come out of Prince Harry's time on the stand so far today?
Well, yesterday it was over 5 hours of cross-examination by the very tough, fearless and fearsome, as he's described, lawyer, lead barrister for the publisher. And today we've had just under 2 hours already of Prince Harry being cross-examined very fiercely again. Now, we're told from people inside the court, other reporters, that actually he's giving extremely short answers, but he seems even more confident than yesterday. But some of his answers are quite terse. So some of the key takeaways, and unsurprisingly, focus it's 33 articles that have been examined since yesterday morning. One of them is very much about his relationship with his former girlfriend, Chelsea Davy. Now, one of them refers to him going to a sleazy strip joint, and this is attributed to, quote, a palace source. This is something that is completely denied by Prince Harry. He says this is very much illegitimate, unlawful practices by the Mirror Group getting this kind of information, that he would never have discussed something like this with a palace source or indeed green-lighted it to be shared with anyone. The Mirror Group's lawyer is very tough back, and he says that what Prince Harry is simply saying is, quote, in the land of total speculation about where this information might have come from. And Harry then responded, not at all, I disagree. So you can see how short that answer is, because what is that? That's about five words. So apparently after this article, Chelsea Davy, his then girlfriend, went, quote, berserk and hung up on him. So this is the way in which he feels that these unlawful practices has affected his life, that he's been pursued since he was born in this way. Another example given this morning is an article, in fact, it was the first one discussed, about a knee injury that Harry suffered in the army, which he also claims was uncovered unlawfully.
Well, Prince Harry spent several hours on the witness stand, as you said yesterday. What were the headlines or the highlights to come out of day one?
Well, let's remember that the burden of proof is actually on Prince Harry. He doesn't get to do what he did in his book back in February, Spare, or in the Netflix series, or in the Oprah Winfrey interview, or indeed in the British and American interviews, for example, that he did on the publication of his book, Spare. He can't just say, I'm feeling distressed or I'm suspicious of. He has to bring evidence. So yesterday, again, that very tough lead barrister, Mr. Green, of the MGN, the Mirror Group newspapers, frequently said, you don't have proof of this. Bring us the proof. We need, where's the evidence? And occasionally Prince Harry would answer, well, if you say so. So it seems that there is lacking of detail. We'll see if any major revelations come out in the next few hours. He's expected to be cross-examined for the rest of today.